Hello friends, to improve English language, I think that perform the dialogues. How you can perform the dialogues? First of all, make a group of friends. Those are a little bit interested in art and culture. Then try to write a script of 5 minutes. That script may be comic or maybe of any other topic. And when you have written that script in dialogue shape, then memorize the special dialogues given to you. Distribute the characters among your friends, that you will do this character, you will do this characters. And after distributing, rehearse all those dialogues which are written, because they are in dialogue shape. When you will rehearse with each other, then I think that this is the good method to improve your English language, because they are in dialogue shape. You will show your face expression, the other will also show his face expression. You will perform the skit. In this way, the dialogues which you would speak will be the part of your memory for the rest of life. So I think that for writing a script, more intelligent person is required, who is good, better than you in English speaking or writing. You have seen some people are good in writing. When it comes to speak, they fail. They are not able to speak properly, but they can write the good script. So you can get help from Google Translation, from your national language. First of all, write down the script in your national language, then translate it. If you have not this ability to translate, then you can get help from Google Translation. After translating all the script, then as I told you that make a rehearsal of that script, and finally perform that script in front of the masses. Some gathering, a little bit of gathering, not too much. People, those are watching you, maybe 10, 20, but perform in front of those masses. In this way, you will get rid of hesitation of speaking English language. And when you will perform in front of the masses, then you will build more confidence. And in next time, you will speak English in proper way with full confidence. So two benefits you are getting. You are building your confidence and you are memorizing different types of dialogues in performing shape. When you will perform those sentences, those dialogues, they will be the part of your memory. No need of cramming, because you understand the situation. Because skit or script is in situational way. When you will do the things in practical way, in situational way, they will remain in your back memory for the whole time. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.